In this video, I will show you how you can fix the charging problems on your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just grab your charging cable and check if it is damaged or not. Also check the charging adapter and make sure that both of them are working. Also make sure to use Apple's original charging cable with your iPad, as if you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Apple, this can damage your iPad. Now after you've made sure that your charger is not the problem, then just check the charging port of your iPad and then check if it is blocked by any dust or debris or not. If the charging port of your iPad is blocked, just use a soft brush and clean the charging port of your iPad. Now before you connect your iPad to charge, just remove any case from your iPad, because sometimes some cases of the iPads might not let the charging cable to plug properly into the charging port. Now after you've done that, now just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after the force restart process is completed, then just plug your iPad into charge and check if your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, then just go to settings, and under settings just tap on battery. Over here just scroll down and tap on battery health. Now if this toggle is enabled on your iPad, just turn it off, because when this toggle is enabled, your iPad will only charge to 80% and your iPad will stop charging when it reaches 80%. And now sometimes this happens and people think that this is an issue with their charging cable or their iPad, but in case this setting is just enabled. So just turn off this setting and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do, under the main settings page, just tap on General, and from here just tap on Software Update. And from here just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. After that, just go back to General Settings, and under General, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You'll just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the charging problems on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.